First of all, welcome to the range portion of the class. So let's kick the actual safety brief. Today I'll obviously be your lead instructor. I'll be assisted by Ed and Brendan. Okay, let's review the 5 firearm safety rules. Treat every firearm as if it were loaded at all times. Never point the firearm at anything you don't intend to shoot. Finger straighten off the trigger till you're ready to fire. If it applies, firearm unsafe until you intend to fire. So you folks that got 1911s and all that stuff, you guys have safeties, make sure you're using them. And then know it's between you and your target and beyond. It's kind of easy today, but make sure there's a black rubber berm behind you. We're going to practice the 5-point presentation. Position 1, position 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Practice that. Now remember, when I say search and assess and reholster, okay, we're going to index, drop it an inch or two, scan with our eyeballs, back to position 4, larger scan, keep the firearm pointed down range, okay? Find the side of the holster with the slide, and then drop it in. Cool? By the numbers, let's practice the 5-point presentation. All right, so from here, stand by. Position 1. Position 2. Up and out of the holster, keep it vertical. Up and out of the holster and keep it vertical. Okay, position 3, level the firearm. Position 4, appendix guys jump in. Position 5, present straight out. So far, everybody looks pretty good. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is something called a cold start. So it's not like we get a message from the bad guy in advance saying, I'm going to attack you. Stretch out, warm up, get ready, take a few shots. No, okay? You're gonna be sitting in a restaurant, going about your day, doing whatever it is that you do, and it's gonna go from, I'm focused on just being me, to, holy crap, I gotta defend myself. On the beat, 5 shots. This concludes the primary portion. Okay, we're gonna go ahead in a minute. Ed's gonna guide you through the subsequent firearms that you might have. And I hope that whatever you learned, you go home or go back to the range, whatever, and practice it. I encourage you to go out there, obviously to train with us, but more so to improve your skills. All right? Make your worst range day better than the bad guy's best.